Okay, we're going to work on setting up the data analysis Toolpak. So, gonna share with you my desktop and head over to Windows menu and open up Microsoft Excel. I'll just select a blank workbook. And I want to make sure that I have what's called the Data Analysis Toolpak. So if we go to the Data tab, you'll see it over here, Data Analysis. I have it, but if you don't, you can go to your File menu. Some of you might look slightly different, especially if you're using a Mac or an older version of Excel. But you'll want to go down to Options. Click on that. Under Options here, towards the bottom, Add-ins. Click on that. Don't hit OK. Go over here where it says Manage Excel Add-ins and say Go. Then just click on the Analysis Toolpak, say OK. And if you go back to your Data tab, you should have a Data Analysis Toolpak here, which you can open, and it will show a lot of the functions that we're going to use. For right now, we need to make sure that we know how to use the descriptive statistics and the histogram. So I'm going to end this video, let you try and making sure that you have the Data Analysis Toolpak installed on Excel.